In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and verify your business information on Stripe. For those unfamiliar, Stripe is a widely used online payment processing platform, perfect for businesses of all sizes looking to handle transactions securely and efficiently. Now let's dive into the process of getting your Stripe account all set up for seamless transactions. First, you'll want to navigate to your Stripe account. So go ahead and open your preferred internet browser and head over to the Stripe website. Once you're there, simply log in with your credentials. If you're not yet signed up, take a moment to create an account. Keep in mind that you'll need a valid email address and a few other personal details to get started with that sign-up process. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Stripe dashboard. This is essentially your control center where you can access all of your business's financial data and make any necessary changes. To move forward with setting up your business information, you'll need to locate the Settings menu. You can usually find this in the bottom left corner of the Stripe dashboard. Go ahead and click on Settings, and then look for an option that says Business. You should see something like this in your Settings menu. Click on it to proceed. Now here's where you'll input all the essential information about your business. This includes verifying your phone number, adding your bank account details, and any other relevant data that ensures your identity is authenticated. Stripe will guide you through each section, and it's crucial to fill these out accurately to avoid any issues later with transaction processing or fund transfers. Double-check your entries to ensure there are no mistakes. This step might take a bit of time, so make sure you're in a distraction-free zone. Once you have filled in all the necessary fields and confirmed everything is correct, Stripe's system will automatically begin the process of verifying your identity. This verification process is vital as it helps maintain the integrity and security of both your business and customer transactions. Depending on your location and financial institution, this verification might take some time, but generally you should receive a confirmation rather quickly. And that's it. You've successfully set up and verified your business information on Stripe. From here, you're all set to begin processing payments and managing transactions with ease. Remember, maintaining the accuracy of your business information is key to seamless operations, so it's always a good idea to keep your details up to date as your business grows or changes. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting your business started with Stripe. Don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or check back here for more helpful tutorials.